Welcome to Lead School at Home.
Hi students, in the previous doubt section, one of the students asked about the rational numbers and irrational numbers. That is how to prove the irrational numbers. Let us discuss how to prove the irrational numbers with the help of an example. Let us consider one example. What is the example here? Question number 1. Prove that root 2 is irrational. Here we have to prove the root 2 is an irrational number. To prove this, see here, to prove root 2 is an irrational number, we have to use the contradictory method. Contradictory method means we have to assume the opposite here. Here what we have to prove? We have to prove here root 2 is irrational. Therefore, by using contradictory method means we have to assume the opposite. That is root 2 is a rational number. We have to assume. Let us prove root 2 is irrational by contradictory using contradictory method. Therefore, let root 2 is a rational number. Contradictory means we have to assume the root 2 is a rational number. Therefore, root 2 is equal to a by b. We know that if a number is a rational number, then it can be expressed in the form of a p by q. Here we have where p and q are the co-prime numbers. Here I have expressed in the form of a by b. Instead of p by q, I have expressed in the a by b. Where a and b are co-prime numbers. Where a and b are co-prime numbers or integers. You can say numbers or integers. Better you can say integers. Where a and b are co-prime integers or numbers, and b is not equal to 0. Here b is not equal to 0. Then friends, you are thinking about what are the co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers are those numbers which are having the SC of 1, जिसका SC of 1 होना चाहिए. SC of 1 मतलब क्या? इन दोनों का कॉमन फैक्टर, a एंड b का कॉमन फैक्टर कितना होना चाहिए? 1. खाली एक ही रहना चाहिए 1. अदर देन 1 नो फैक्टर्स आर देयर, नो कॉमन फैक्टर्स. a एंड b में कॉमन फैक्टर्स एक ही रहना चाहिए. और एक फर्स्ट नंबर को, एक नंबर को छोड़ के रिमेनिंग नंबर्स देयर विल नॉट बी अ कॉमन फैक्टर. दैट इज द SCF इज 1, जिसका SCF 1 होना चाहिए. ओके, नाउ सी हियर, नाउ वी हैव टू send this b towards left hand side. What will mean? It will root 2 into b. It will become root 2 into b is equal to a. Now squaring on both sides. We have to do the squaring on both sides. After squaring, it will get 2b square is equal to a square. Here we get 2b square is equal to a square. Now see friends, 2b square is equal to a square. इसका मीनिंग क्या होगा? Here 2 divides a square. इसका मीनिंग क्या हो गया? 2 divides a square. a square is equal to 2b square. 2 into something है, 2 into something. a square का वैल्यू क्या हो गया? 2 into something means it absolutely 2 divides the a square. a square को 2 से डिवाइड हो जाएगा. करेक्ट ना? See here, let us see one example. Don't write this example in the exam. I will taking for your understanding. Example, if I told you 5 divides 15. 5 divides 15 मैंने बोला आपको. It can also be written as 5 into something value. 5 into 3, that something is 3 is equal to 15. ऐसे लिख सकते हो ना? 5 into 3 is equal to 15. Similarly वैसे ही a square is equal to 2b square. यहाँ पर क्या था? 5 into 3 था. b square 3 की जगह क्या है? यहाँ पर b square है. Means 2 divides a square. Similarly we can say that ना, 2 divides a square बोल सकते हो. Therefore 2 also divides a. ए को भी डिवाइड हो जाएगा. अगर ए स्क्वायर को डिवाइड करता है देन 2 अल्टीमेटली इट विल डिवाइड द ए आल्सो. देयर इज आल्सो थ्योरम. यू कैन सी द पेज नंबर थ्योरम 1.3 फ्रॉम द पेज नंबर 12. पेज नंबर 12 पे थ्योरम 1.3 दिया है. यू कैन चेक. बाय दैट थ्योरम यू कैन से दैट 2 आल्सो डिवाइड्स ए. Therefore, अगर 2 a को डिवाइड करता है then it can also be written as 2 is equal to a is equal to 2 times c, where c is an integer. c एक इंटीजर है. उस इंटीजर पे a is equal to 2c लिख सकते हो ना. अगर 2 से a को डिवाइड होता है 2 से a को डिवाइड होता है then a is also equal to 2 times c लिख सकते हो आप. Therefore, a square squaring on both sides, a square is equal to 4 into c square. You can write a square is equal to 4 into c square. Now write it as a equation number 2 and mark this as a equation number 1. Mark equation above as a 1. Now put a square is equal to 4c square in equation 1. Equation 1 पे put करो. See what we will get here. Equation 1 में put किया है a square का value. What you will get? 2b square is equal to 4 into c square. We will get 4c square. a square की जगह खाली 4c square लिखना है. Therefore 2 1 जा 2, 2 2 जा 4. Therefore b square is equal to, we got here 2 times c square. 2 times c square we will get. From this what we can say? Here a square is equal to 2b square. Can we say that here 2 divides b also? Therefore I will write here. Therefore from this 2 divides b square. 2 divides b square. b square को divide हो जाता है because 2 into c square है. 2 into c square. b square is equal to, therefore you can say that 2 divides b square. Therefore it also divides b. b को भी divide कर देता है. Therefore 2 also divides b. Therefore we got here 2 is common factor of a and b. a and b का common factor मिला. 2 is a common factor of a and b. But our assumption is a and b are co-prime. आपने क्या assume किया था? a and b are co-prime. Therefore our assumption fails here. Therefore our assumption fails here. Therefore root 2 is irrational number. Therefore root 2 is irrational number. Okay, copy down this. Now one more example is there. See here, question number 2. We have to prove here 6 plus root 2 is irrational number. We have to prove here 6 plus root 2 is irrational number. To prove this, here also we have to use the contradictory method. That is 6 plus root 2 is a rational number. Let us assume 6 plus root 2 is a rational. Let us assume 6 plus root 2 is a rational. By using a contradictory method we are going to solve here. Therefore 6 plus root 2 is equal to, if 6 plus root 2 is a rational number, then 6 plus root 2 can be expressed in the form of a by b, where a and b are co-prime numbers and b is not equal to 0. Where a and b are a co-prime numbers and b is not equal to 0. Therefore now we have to send this 6 towards right hand side. It will become root 2 is equal to a by b minus 6. Now cross multiply here, b into minus 6 is equal to minus 6b divided by b. We got here, therefore we got here root 2 is equal to a minus 6b by b. Now what we can say here, see here, a root 2 is equal to a minus 6b divided by b. Here in equation, mark it as equation 1. Here in equation 1, that is RHS is a rational. RHS is a rational. See here in equation 1, don't write that is, here in equation 1 RHS is rational. a minus 6b divided by b, it is in the form of a by b, a by b के फॉर्म में है, therefore RHS is a rational. But LHS, see the LHS, but LHS is a irrational. LHS is a irrational. LHS irrational है क्या, देखो चेक करो, रूट 2, LHS में क्या है, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड रूट 2. ये LHS is irrational because we know that root 2 is a irrational. root 2 is an irrational. हमको पता है कि root 2 है, irrational है. Therefore equation 1 is not possible. Equation 1 is not possible. Equation 1 possible है क्या, root 2 is irrational, v is equal to rational? No, it is a not possible. Therefore 6 plus root 2 is a irrational number. Therefore equation 1 is not possible, and after this you have to write our assumption fails. Here. What we have assumed? We have assumed the 6 plus root 2 is a rational. Our assumption fails here. Therefore 6 plus root 2 is a irrational number. This much you have to write. Okay friends, got everybody? Now these two questions are very important for the board exam point of view. Definitely there is a one question for a 3 marks. 3 marks के लिए एक definitely question होगा, either this question or that previous one. Root 2 is a irrational number or 6 plus root 2 is a irrational number. Only the values are changed. Question as it is they will ask in the exam. This is a very important. Mark this as a note. Okay, bye everybody.